Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English class. Today we will discuss building blocks, conjunctions. Look at these pairs of words: black and white, justice and freedom, night and day. You already know that and is a joining word. And क्या है? Joining word है. It helps in joining two or more words. Now let's look at some sentences. Martin Luther King fought for justice. Martin Luther King fought for equality. So you can see here Martin Luther King, Martin Luther King. Subject is same in both subjects. Let's look at how we can join these two sentences. Since the subject Martin Luther is common to both sentences, we simply use the joining word and. Martin Luther King fought for justice and equality. So we can write here Martin Luther King fought for justice and equality. So we can use here and. Okay. And is a joining word. Now come to the next page. Here is another example. God made black Americans and God made white Americans. So we can write here God made black and white Americans, because here sentences are almost same. Here black and white is different word, so we can write here God made black and white Americans. हम दोनों sentences को connect करके कैसे लिख सकते हैं? God made black and white Americans. The word and is called a conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. And क्या है हमारा? Conjunction है. Conjunctions are joining words. You can think of them as glue words. Okay. क्या काम करते हैं? Glue की तरह काम करते हैं ये words. They glue sentences together. क्या करते हैं ये? दो sentences को glue करते हैं, साथ में जोड़ देते हैं. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words, phrases and sentences together. किस किस को कनेक्ट करते हैं ये जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को और सेंटेंसेस को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एट माई डिनर एंड वेंट टू बेड. कैन सी हियर एंड इज अ जॉइनिंग वर्ड और कंजंक्शन. द सन वॉज अप बट आई फेल टू लेजी टू वेक अप. So you can see here and connects same sentences and but connects opposite sentences. The sun was up and I felt too lazy to wake up. You can eat roti or rice for lunch. You can see here or connects to optional sentences where you have options. Let's look at joining words. What? We use what to connect two sentences with opposite ideas. Okay. I walked fast. I was late for school. So we can write here I walked fast but I was late for school. So we can connect two sentences by word what. The tortoise was slow, the snail was slower. We can write like this. The tortoise was slow, but the snail was slower. Here the joining word but helps to connect sentences with opposite thoughts. Okay, but कैसे sentences को connect करता है? Opposite thoughts वाले. Okay. Similarly, the joining word or helps joining two sentences that offer a choice. और कैसे sentences को connect करता है? Where you have choices. Okay. I can go by bus. I can go by by train. So we can write here I can go by bus or train. Here you have two options, by bus or train. So we can write here I can go by bus or by train. Tina can join art class or Tina can join drama class. So we can write here Tina can join art class or drama class. Okay. हम क्या students, we can write Tina can join art class or drama class by writing or word between them. So conjunctions क्या होती हैं? Connectors. Okay. Joining words होते हैं that connects two sentences, phrases or two words. Okay. So we have completed our class. Students, we will discuss this topic again in online class and do activity. Thank you.